What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and bell icon. Today I will telling about 10 coins Elizabeth coin from New Zealand 2006. Coins are more than just tools for commerce, they are miniature canvas of history, symbol of sovereignty, and reflections of national identity. Among the myriad of coins in the numismatic world, the 2006 New Zealand 10 coins, featuring Queen Elizabeth II, holds a special place. It symbolizes the nation's link to the British monarchy, its evolving cultural narrative, and a pivotal moment in New Zealand's coinage history. This script delves deep into the origin, evolution, design, cultural significance, and impact of the 2006 New Zealand 10 coins. From its inception to its redesign, and from its role in daily life to its lasting legacy, the story of this coin is a fascinating journey through history. The origins of New Zealand currency. To understand the 2006 10 coin, we must first explore the broader history of New Zealand's coinage. Prior to decimalization, New Zealand used a currency system based on pounds, shillings, and pence, introduced in the mid-19th century under British colonial rule. This system was complex and increasingly viewed as outdated. In 1967, New Zealand adopted a decimal currency system. On July 10 of that year, the country introduced the New Zealand dollar, replacing the New Zealand pound. Coins were minted in denomination of 1, 2, 5, 10, 20, and 50 cents. This moment marked a significant milestone in modernizing the nation's economy and simplifying monetary transactions. The 10 coins introduced in 1967 bore the image of Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse side and a Maori carved head known as a koruru on the reverse tail side. The koruru design was created by New Zealand artist Reginald George James Berry and reflected the country's commitment to honoring Maori heritage. These early 10 coins were made of cupro-nickel, had a diameter of 23,62 mm, and weighed 5.66 grams. They were relatively large, similar in size to the British 1 shilling coin. Over the years, these coins became a familiar presence in the daily lives of New Zealanders, used in everything from paying for milk to saving in children's piggy banks. However, by the early 2000s, economic and technological change prompted a review of coinage in New Zealand. By the start of the 21st century, the original 10 coin had become increasingly impractical. It was relatively large and heavy for its value, and the cost of producing it, particularly given fluctuating metal prices, was rising. Many people found it cumbersome to carry, and vending machines had difficulty accepting the coin consistently. Additionally, there was concern about the durability of the coin and the increasing tendency of people to discard or ignore low denomination coins. As a result, the Reserve Bank of New Zealand began to consider a significant revamp of the nation's coin. The goal was to create coins that were lighter, smaller, more cost-effective to produce, and more suitable for modern-day transactions, particularly in automated payment systems. 2006 Redesign Initiative. In 2004, the Reserve Bank initiated public consultation and technical studies into replacing the 10, 20, and 50 cent coins with smaller, plated steel versions. After gathering feedback from the public, retailers, and experts, the decision was made to redesign and reissue these denominations. The newly designed 10 coin was officially released into circulation on July 31, 2006. Launch was accompanied by a public education campaign to ensure a smooth transition, including posters, media advertisements, and information kit distributed across the country. New 10 coin was significantly smaller and lighter than its predecessor. It was made of copper-plated steel, giving it a distinctive reddish tone, similar to a penny in the United States. This color helped distinguish it from other coins and reduced confusion. The obverse of the 2006 coin features the effigy of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by British sculptor Ian Rank Broadley. This portrait, introduced in 1998, was widely praised for its realism and was adopted by many Commonwealth nations. In this design, the Queen is shown wearing the Girls of Great Britain and Ireland tiara, a familiar and iconic image. Around the edge, the inscription READS, Elizabeth de New Zealand 2006. The reverse continue the legacy of honoring Maori culture. It retains a modernized version of the original koruru, or carved Maori head, designed by Berry. Intricate detailing of the koruru is complemented by a traditional kawaii pattern, decorative rafter design. Beneath it, this artistic continuity maintained a cultural connection with the past, even as the coin size and composition changed. Technical features of the 2006 10 coins are more than just monetary tools, they are symbol of national identity, art, and historical memory. The 2006 New Zealand 10 coin featuring Queen Elizabeth II is one such piece, offering a glimpse into the nation's cultural and numismatic heritage. This script explores the background, design,